A Nassau County resident is the first New Yorker to have a confirmed case of the South African COVID-19 variant. Nassau County Executive Laura Curran saying, "We don't believe the South African variant is more deadly, but it may be more contagious." The best response, according to Curran, to continue wearing masks, maintain social distancing, and get the vaccine as soon as possible. But there is still a vaccine shortage in New York because of ice and snowstorms across the country. The vaccine hub at Van Buren High School in Queens Village was once again delayed from opening this weekend because there are no vaccines available.
I really feel reborn and less anxiety.
More than a dozen state-run pop-up vaccination hubs were able to open up over the weekend, including at the First Baptist Church in Crown Heights and the Red Hook Neighborhood Senior Center in Red Hook.
This is about equity. It is about creating a recovery for all of us.
At the same time, a grim milestone is approaching for this country. Close to 500,000 Americans have died from the coronavirus.
To have these many people to have died from a respiratory-borne infection, it really is a terrible situation that we've been through and that we're still going through. And that's the reason why we keep insisting to continue with the public health measures, because we don't want this to get much worse than it already is.
New York Senator Chuck Schumer held his Sunday news conference at a restaurant called Dirt Candy on the Lower East Side, saying that he is optimistic that his restaurant relief fund, modeled on the widely supported Bipartisan Restaurant Act, will save thousands of restaurants in the city.
What it would do would put $25 billion aside for a 6-month grant to restaurants. They're in debt. They don't have loans. And the grant is very flexible.